Hello everyone, I am Amruta Bawaskar from Pune. I have trading experience of 1.5 years. I have tried strategies for trading purpose which includes indicators. But because of too many indicators and no knowledge of price action, I was not getting confidence. Then I joined KRMG group. Here, Gaurav sir and Bhushan sir taught us price action concepts in very simple manner. Generally, we know the concepts of trading, but we fail to implement them and understand them in live market. In KRMG training program, they teach us concept, then they give us adequate time for implementation and practice. They clear our all doubts. We get sorted as we get a little set of rules to be followed. Then we practice concepts so hard that chart reading gets better and better every day. And finally, we get confidence of taking right trade. After completion of session, it is not end of teaching and learning. We have Telegram group where we are always connected and updated. So, even if we miss out something, KRMG family members helps us in continuous growing. We get revision sessions conducted by senior KRMG family members where they share their ideas and healthy discussions regarding trading. So all these efforts keeps us directional and active. I will say KRMG is truly Gurukul for all of us. Finally, I thank Bhushan sir and Gaurav sir for their efforts and guidance. Thank you, sir.